Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how you can create a new page in WordPress and how you can edit an existing page in WordPress. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Jawad Abdani and I am a full stack WordPress developer having around 7 years of experience. I am also running a digital agency and proudly serving my clientele all around the globe. So I'd love to share what I've learned so far in my career. Without wasting time, let's dive into it. So to get started, first of all, we will have to log into our WordPress dashboard. For that, I am using a website I've created before. So now I am in WordPress dashboard. I will go to pages and we'll click all pages here. So to add in a new page, we'll click the add new button here and it will open up the page editor where we can add the details of our new page. So here in the title field, we'll add the title of our new page. That can be home. On the right hand side, you will find a few more fields like permalink where you can change the permalink of the page. And here on the right hand side, we have more fields like featured image where we can add featured image for the pages. So once everything is configured, let's click the publish button and the page will be published. Right. So now we'll add a few more pages to see how things works. So for that, we'll go to the dashboard again and we'll click add new. And this time we'll add the title about us and going to click publish button. And here you'll also see a button from where you can quickly create a new page. So going to click this button, add new page, our services, clicking publish, and then again adding one more page, and this time I'll add the title contact us. All right. I've published 4 pages now. I'll go to the dashboard again to see how they looks like. We'll try to view them to see how they works. And right now, as we haven't added any content yet, so they are looking like blank pages. So now we'll try to add in our new pages in the menu. So for that, we'll go to the dashboard again, and here we'll have to click appearance and then menus. By default, there are no menus in WordPress, so we'll create one here. The name of the menu can be main menu. And now I am creating a new menu here by clicking this button. And as our menu is created, on the left hand side we'll start seeing the pages we created. So let's add in all pages on the menu: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Adding these 4 pages we created in the menu. And here at the bottom you will find two options. Number one is auto add pages. When you'll check this option, it will automatically add all the new pages that you'll create inside this menu. And the second option is here we have two locations where the theme is calling the menu. So we can either display the menu on header or we can either display the menu in the footer. So for now I'm clicking the header here, saving the menu and going to the home page and seeing how it works. Yeah, our new menu has been published. Let's change the order by dragging the menu items, saving the menu, and now refreshing the page again, and you'll see the order can also be changed easily. So this is how you add new pages in WordPress. And now let's see how you can edit the existing pages in WordPress. So for that, we'll go to the dashboard again and click pages. And here, as you're seeing, we already have the new pages we created before. So for example, if you want to edit the contact us page, we can re-click this page again and the page editor will be open here. Let's say we'll add drop your email to info@test.com. Right, so I'm clicking the update button here, and now I'll see how it looks like. We'll click the contact us page, and yeah, our content is published. Like this, you can add as much content as possible. So this is how you create new pages. You added existing pages in WordPress website.
Now, if you need to see how you can edit the site title and tagline of your website, just click to the top right of this video on the eye icon. I have added the new video link from our channel, so you can watch that to understand how you can edit the site title and tagline.
So don't forget to subscribe as I'll be posting more valuable content to this channel and I'll be adding more detailed courses in WordPress. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.